Welcome to Gelous Nail Art Tutorials. Today I am going to show you 4 different ways to use our silicone nail stamper. Classic French tip. Using just white, apply a thin coat to the top of your silicone nail stamper. Gently press it into the tip of your nail and move it from side to side to create the shape of your French tip. Using your thin nail art brush, tidy any areas needed before curing. Marble French tip. Apply thin coats of birthday cake, heartbreaker and whiteout to the top of your silicone nail stamper and swirl the polish together with a nail art brush. Gently press it into the tip of your nail and move it from side to side to create the shape of your French tip. Using your thin nail art brush, tidy any areas needed before curing. Marble tie-dye. Using Trendsetter, red sass and whiteout, apply dots of each colour to the top of your silicone nail stamper. Roll and pat your silicone nail stamper across your nail till you're happy with the marble tie-dye look. Using your nail polish remover pen, clean away any gel nail polish off your skin before curing. Gel stickers. Using blackout and your thin nail art brush, paint an outline of a star on top of your silicone nail stamper. Cure for 10 seconds. Curing it before doing another coat will stop the outline of the gel polish from shrinking. Make sure to fill the star with thin coats so the gel polish can cure evenly. Cure for 30 seconds. Using your nail art tweezers, gently peel off the cured star and apply it onto the top of your nail. Once it is placed on the nail, you won't be able to move it. Finish off with your favorite top coat. Thanks for watching.